Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your Capital One's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Capital One's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in www.capitalone.com and make a search. You will end up on the official page of Capital One's account. From the official page, tap on Sign In option at the top right corner of the page. On the next page, enter your username and password associated with your Capital One's account and tap on Sign In. Tick mark on the box that says Remember Me in case if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in. In case if you don't remember your password or username, click on the link that says Forgot Username or Password. This is how you can log into your Capital One's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.